Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone above, below, or in between. Welcome to another Soul Calibur building guide kind of thing. But we're going to start off with some George Carlin as well. Had an interesting conversation last night. Stalin keeps coming up. I don't know what the World War II keeps coming up. I don't know what the hell's up with that. Anyway, this is going to be a section called Zero Tolerance on page 84 of When Will Jesus Bring the Pork Chops by George Carlin. And had a nice little conversation that inspired this. Alright, it's called Zero Tolerance, and we're getting right into it. I get wary of this zero tolerance bullshit. It's annoying. To begin with, it's a fascist concept. It's what Hitler and Stalin practiced. It allows for no exceptions or compassion of any kind. All is black and white, no graduations. But even more important, it doesn't solve anything. The use of such a slogan simply allows whichever company, school, or municipality is using it to claim they're doing something about a problem, when in fact nothing is being done at all. The problem is being ignored. It's a cosmetic non-solution designed to impress simpletons. Whenever you hear the phrase zero tolerance, remember someone is bullshitting you. Alright, and that's enough of George Carlin for right now. Let's get on with the fun stuff, alright? Alright, I had to bug up my ass to create a character because I couldn't find them on, whatchamacallit, on the interweb. On the interwebs. And this is a Casandra build from Soul Calibur 2. Yeah, one of the characters they yanked out of the game. Figured out a way to build her. Oh yeah. And it works. It works. It works. Here we go. Let's go to shoot picture. Show them in motion. You can play around with the hairstyle. I just stuck with that because I'm tired of just not using it, and it seems to work quite well. And I think it'd be nice to see a return back to the second outfit. See homegirl doing her rebellious things. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But anyway, let's show you the equipment that we got here. Gonna have to get to like level 62 to unlock all this stuff. Right now I got a different program running on level 32 or 33 or some shit like that, and it's got most of the gear except for the demon pauldrons there. It's got just about everything you see here, so I built them in there while I'm building that. So we got that item there, this item for kicks, that's right, the the tan leather armor, the country tunic or whatever. Nothing here, nothing here. Holster for the belt, and that's to distract from the fact that it's not going to look perfect. Snake armlets, and of course I also got some other stickers in place there. I went for a combination of the gloves of the Soul Calibur 2 and the Soul Calibur 4 outfit, and I do things like that so I can play around with them later. There's the demonic pauldrons right there. This is going to be the location that they're going to be at. I went for the thigh-high leggings just for kicks. You don't have to. And here's the off boots, or cut-off boots, or cuff boots, whatever the heck they call them. Got a bow for a head, right there, and the bat wings to make up the tail, the coat tails, or whatever the hell you want to call that. Not a whatchamacallit. I'm not a tailor. Oh yeah, let's change that real quick. Yeah, the absolute underwear, in case they actually get naked. It never happens. Never happens. But anyway, here's the overall colors. And that's on the headband. Here's for the eyepiece. That's for the undergarments. That's for the tunic. It's for the belt. It's for the necktie. for the armlets, of course, shoulder gear, legging gears, and the foot gear, and of course the added accessory parts. Real simple, right? Alright, it gets real complicated once you get into the stickers. Like right here. This is a star that's on the body. You lower it just so that it. Here, I'll show you how, show you where it goes after you. Boom. See? And we'll get back into it right here. Boom. Alright, so you see how that works? Boom, got the colors. I don't think I need to get into it. Alright, these are for the arms right here. These are the locations of them. And if you remove the pattern, you'll see what I did different. Boom. Alright, that's pretty much the gloves right there. So we just exit out. Just do the same for each arm, and there you go. Alright, now this is a diamond that I put on top of the underwear just to try and complete that one section and kind of sort of give the illusion that her coat is continuing to give her coverage. That's basically the only reason why I'm messing around with the stickers right there. It just gives a slight illusion so you can just pick up and play, get on with play, and just stop staring at it, you know what I mean? That's what that's there for. Here, we'll just do a quick little removal of it just so you guys get the idea of where it goes. There you go. You see it? Boom. Alright. Moving on to the next piece. It's right here. And this goes for a tunic. And yeah, this was kind of a bit of fun to mess around with it because you're going to be running out of sticker slots. So you get two of these, and they're located right there. And you can still see through them when you place them on top of lacings or buttons and things like that. You can still see through them a bit, and they also provide extra buttons, so that helps with the midsection a bit. So you just remove the pattern, you can see what you did different right there. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying right there? Boom. Alright. Get back into it. Go back to your colors. And here's the number 7 to kind of give the illusion that. You see what I'm saying? Try to give the illusion that that whole thing is completed there. That one triangle portion. Like her coat is still trying to come together and snap together at that one button right there at the midsection. See what I'm saying right there? And the belt, you know, comes in, covers up, whatever. So we'll just remove pattern just so you can see. There you go. It's not really necessary for all you folks out there. It's just a nitpick for me, but it's not 100% necessary. Alright, getting into the one item that is 100% necessary, that's going to be the bat wings. And we'll get into that in just a second. That's the most complicated part of the entire thing. The bow I don't think I need to go over, but the bat wings we do. So we're going to get into the bat wings and the numbers on those. Adjust, there you go. Alright, the bat wings on the back to make the coat tails. It's going to be located on the hips, horizontal 10, vertical 50, back 27, width negative 45, as in minus 45, length minus 50, depth minus 40, rotate vertically minus 5, rotate horizontally 180, angle minus 84. Alright, now those are the numbers right there. Hopefully you wrote them down. Now I'm going to show you. After you get them folded like that, this is how you get them to arch up and back. Right there. Rotate horizontally. That's the value that rotates them back and forth right there, like so. And then you just mess around with back and forth. You know what I mean? The back. You know, you got your horizontal horizontal, vertical, and then you got back right here, your back options. You got to play with that just right once you get them to the right size and everything else. Then after that, you should mess around with the rotate horizontally. And you're probably going to have to go through a few loops here because it continues to roll. You know what I'm saying? And because the numbers probably aren't going to be exact when you first build it. So you know what I mean? So you got to get into it. Just make sure just enough of it disappears. Alright. And we're going to exit out to make sure we didn't screw up anything. I just got through building it. Exactly. And I'm going to show you the pain in the ass of what it is to try to build the other uniform in the next video. So check y'all out in the next one. Good luck to all. Peace out.